Right. Good morning to all of you. In continuation with the discussion on this particular chapter, that is number of standard 8 of IGCSE board, we have already discussed exercise 1 and 1 star. We have already discussed exercise 2 and 2 star. And we are going to discuss now exercise 3 and 3 star. So I hope it will be very much useful for the students who are studying in this IGCSE board. Okay, so without wasting time, let us go for solving of the questions. So these questions are related to fractions mostly, and we have already seen questions related to multiplication of fractions in previous exercise. Now we are going to solve the questions related to division of fractions. Okay, so question number 1 I will solve. This is what? 3 by 4 divided by 7 by 8. So now actually 3 by 4, and what we need to do, we need to convert this division, okay, into multiplication. Due to its conversion of division to multiplication, the following number, the following fraction 7 by 8, it will be converted to its reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator will change to denominator and denominator will change to numerator. So it will change to 8 by 7 now. You can cancel as we have seen in exercise 2, and further we will be getting our answer, because further it will not be cancelling, no common factors are there. So 3 into 2, 6 by 7. Like this we can do it. So what is the main thing here? The converting this division into its into multiplication, and following number will be changing is to reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal of the number. If 4 is there, reciprocal of 4 will become 1 by 4. If 1 by 4 is there, reciprocal of it will become 4. So what it is there? A number multiplied with its reciprocal, always it should give 1. A number multiplied with its reciprocal, always it will be giving you the value as 1. So this is the principle of reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal. Right. So question number 2 is 12 by 25 and divided by 4 is there. Then further 12 by 25 we will convert this division into multiplication, and the reciprocal will become 1 by 4. 4 will cancel this as 3, and our answer will become 3 by 25. Right. Then okay, this is question number 3 actually. Right. Then question number 5. Question number 5, 6. So the preceding number will not have any type of change. So it will be as it is. Then the question is division of 1 by 3. Right. 6. And again we will write divide, because we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 3 1 ja 3 plus 1 4 by 3, and further we will multiply, means we will convert this division into multiplication, and this 4 by 3 will become 3 by 4. Okay, right. And further we can cancel 2 3 ja 6 and 2 2 ja 4. So sorry, 2 3 ja 6 here, not 2. 2 3 ja 6 and 2 2 ja 4, and it will be giving to us as 9 by 2. Again further we will be going for converting it into mixed fraction. So 4 1 by 2. Okay, 4 2 ja 8 1 9 by 2. So it will become 9 by 2. Right. Okay. Then this question was 5th question. 7th question here. So it is what? 3 1 ja 3 1 4. I will do it directly. Now you all have understood that what to do it, so no need to write question. Okay, so 3 1 ja 3 1 4, 4 by 3 into, okay, and it will become 5 2 ja 10 plus 2 12, 12 by 5. Okay, sorry. So as we have, then further let me write here division only. Okay, so it will become 12 by 5, and further 4 by 3 into 5 by 12. Okay, so 4 3 are 12, right, and it will become 5 by 9, right. Okay, so question number 2 now we have to solve. So 3 by 10 divided by 4 by 5, and it will become 3 by 10 into 5 by 4. So 5 2 are 10, it will become 3 by 8. Okay, now question number 4, it will be 9, and if we are changing that, so it will become into, and 4 by 3, here it will change, so 4 by 3, so now 3 3 are 9, and it will become answer as 12. Then 6, question number 6. Okay, so 5 and 5 1 4, 9 by 5 into 1 by 6. Okay, here reciprocal has become 1 by 6. So 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9, and it is giving to us as 3 by 10. Question number 8, it is, so 2 2, here it is, right. So it will become 4 1 5, 5 by 2. So here it is 5 by 2, and this has become 9 by 2. Okay, 9 by 4, sorry, 9 by 4, 4 to 8 1, 9 by 4, 9 by 4, if we have converted, so it will become 4 by 9. So 2 2 ja 4, and it will become 10 by 9. So if such is the case, then again we need to convert it into mixed fraction. So 1 1 by 9, right. So answer of this question number 8 will become 1 1 by 9, right. Then further we will be solving question number 9 now. So in this, what it is given, Mia cuts up a piece of wood. So let's suppose a piece of wood is available. Okay, and its total length is given to us as 4.5 meters. So 4 to the 8 1 9. So 9 by 2 meter long into pieces measuring 3 by 4 meter long. So she has cut this. We don't know how many pieces are there. Please do not count as whatever lines I have placed. But each piece will be measuring 3 by 4 meter long. Okay, so it means, suppose if n is the number of pieces. Okay, n is the number of pieces Mia cuts the wood. Okay, then in this case, each piece will be having a length of 3 by 4 meter, and if we will multiply it with n, so it will be covering the complete length of this wood. So it is 9 by 2. Now if we want to solve it, we need to divide, okay, both side by 3 by 4. Why? Because 3 by 4 from this side we need to remove, then only we will get n. So if we will be dividing 3 by 4 this side, we need to divide right hand side also with 3 by 4. So it will be similar to like 3 by 4 into n divided by 3 by 4, and is equal to 9 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. So this 3 by 4 will get cancelled, and left hand side we will be having only n. Okay, and right hand side it will be 9 by 2. So it is what? It is just like this it will be there. So 9 by 2 into 4 by 3. Now 3 3 has got cancelled, and 2 2. So it will be, total number of pieces will be 6. Okay, total number of pieces are 6. So 6 pieces Mia cuts. Okay, now this question is giving a bottle contains 2 1 by 4 liters of water. So there is a bottle, right? Okay, it contains 2 1 by 4 liters of water. Now how many glasses of volume 3 by 16 liter can it fill? So there will be some glasses are there. Okay, all will be means the total capacity of each glass will be 3 by 16 liter. So now what we can say, if 3 by 16 liters into f n number of glasses are there, as we have done in previous question, okay, then total volume of the water will be 42819, so 9 by 4 liters, correct? Right. So 3 by 6 liter in each glass, okay, liters. Again, similar to that, we need to remove this 3 by 16 liter from left hand side, so that we should get n. It means we have to divide this 9 by 4 also with 3 by 16, and left hand side also we need to divide with 3 by 16, okay, by 3 by 16 is equal to 9 by 4 by 3 by 16. So this 3 by 16 completely will get cancelled, okay. So we will get left hand side n, and here we will be getting 9 by 4 again divided by 3 by 16. So 9 by 4 into 16 by 3. So 3 3 are 9 and 4 4 are 16. So it will be giving us as 12 glasses. Okay, so n will become 12. So our answer n is equal to 12 glasses. Okay, right. Now we are coming to exercise 3 star, only word problem. Okay, and in this, what it is there, a roll of ribbon is 32.5 centimeter long. So you can say the ribbon, if it is there, take it as 32.5 centimeter long. So 32.5 centimeter will be 32 into 2. So 64, 64 plus 1, 65 by 2 centimeter long. How many pieces 1 by 4 centimeter long can it be cut from the roll? So you can say it is cut into several pieces, and each one is having a length of 1 by 4 centimeter, which is equal to 4 1 ja 4 1 5, 5 by 4 centimeter. Okay. So again, suppose number of pieces, suppose number of pieces is equal to n, then it means n into 5 by 4 centimeter will give us total length 65 by 2 centimeter. Now from left hand side we need to remove 5 by 4. So what we will be going? We will be going for dividing left hand side also and right hand side also, because any type of operation we are performing when equal to is there in between, we need to do both side. If we are multiplying, then we need to multiply both side. If we are dividing, we need to divide both side. Like this we have to do it. Okay. So now this particular part we have cancelled, and we have got here n is equal to 65 by 2, and it is divided by 5 by 4, which we can write as 65 by 2 into 4 by 5. Now this will be cancelling, 2 2 ja 4 and 5 13. So we have got n is equal to 13 into 2 26. So it means 26 pieces. Okay, how many pieces? 26 pieces will be our answer. Okay, we'll move to next question. In next question, what we see, Dayalan's cow produces 21 1 by 3 liters of milk per day. Okay, so we can write as Dayalan's cow produces milk in a day will be equal to 21 1 by 3 liters, which is equal to, so 21 into 3, 63, 63 plus 1, so 64 by 3 liters per day. So in a day, right? Now the milk is put into bottles with a volume of 2 1 by 3 liters. So one bottle contains 2 1 by 3 liters, which will be equal to 3 to the 6 1 7, 7 by 3 liters of milk. Okay. Now, how many bottles does Dayalan need each week to bottle all the milk? Okay. So, we can say that Dayalan's cow produces milk in a day is 64 by 3. But we are asked for each week. So, you can say total quantity of milk we will be writing. Total volume of milk or quantity of milk, anything you can write here. Total quantity of milk. Okay. Dayalan's cow produces in a week. So it means we need to, it is per day, we need to multiply it with 7. So 64 by 3 into 7 liters. Okay, right. Now how many bottles need? So let n number of bottles required in a week. Therefore, each bottle contains 7 by 3 liters. So 7 by 3 into n will become equal to 64 by 3 into 7. Okay? Right. If you want, you can multiply, no problem. So 7 4 ja 28, then 2, 7 6 42, 42 plus 2, 44, 4 4 8 by 3 liters. Okay. Now, as we have already discussed, let me erase at the top. This is not required now. This you have already seen. You are already knowing. Okay. So this 7 by 3 we need to remove. So we need to divide it. So it will become 7 by 3 into n divided by 7 by 3, and this side 448 by 3 divided by 7 by 3, and further this 7 by 3 will get divided. So here it will become n, and it will become 448 by 3, then divided by 7 by 3. Okay, and further 448 by 3 into 3 by 7. Those 3 got cancelled, and with this 7 we will be cancelling. 7 6 ja 42 and 7 4 ja 28. So our n has become 64. So it means the Dayalan need 64 bottles for a week. In a week, he needs 64 bottles. So in this way, we have solved the questions. Word problems also we have solved, and normal fractions, how it is to be divided. The main thing we need to concentrate here is to convert that divided symbol into multiplication symbol, and followed by it, immediately we need to do the reciprocal of the fraction. So that part we need to remember. Okay. So I hope you all have understood now, and if any doubt, you can put in comment, you can ask me. I have given my mail ID also, I have given my phone number also. You can text me, this is my WhatsApp number also. You can send me if any doubt is there. I will be very pleased to clarify your doubts. Okay? Right. So thank you very much. Stay safe, stay secured. Okay? Right.